Deep breath, deep breath. Okay, we can do this. All right, come on. You might say this is a little off the beaten path. All right, I got the helmet on, life jacket. Let's do this. What is it called, Francisco?
This place is called Micos.
This is Micos. Electric plant right here.
Okay, let's go. ¿Es aquí? ¿Es aquí?
Bien. Sí, ahí.
What do you think about that?
That was great. Look at the waterfall. It's beautiful.
How do you feel?
Excellent. Excelente. Refreshing.
¿Quieres saltar con él? Puedes saltar.
Let's go!
The sinuses get cleaned out pretty intensely.
Let's do it continuously.
Oh,
Come on, Francisco!
Finca! Whistling us. Let's do this. All right, we going down? Here we go. Okay. This is a small one. Yeah. We going together? Let's do it. Let's go together. I can't get all three of us in the shot, but all right. Here we go. Here we go. Uno, dos, tres. Let's go! All right. And Francisco brought his phone, and his pouch is not exactly waterproof.
It's not gonna work.
So I guess apparently on this next one we can slide down. Is what I saw him do, and he climbed back up.
Llegando aquí, van a poner los pies apuntando para abajo, ¿va?
Go backwards. Is
Levantan bien las pompas,
that what he's saying?
porque van a pasar abajito del agua, ¿sí?
No, pointing our feet towards.
Feet down.
Yeah.
All right.
Feet up.
Feet down. Here we go.
There
Casual
we go.
feet down the river.
All right.
Whee!
Up your butt.
Woo. All right. A little scratch on the ass there. Swallowed some water there on that one. You okay?
Yeah, I almost died, bro.
You almost died, but I'm okay. ¿Cómo se dice that in español?
Casi me muero, pero estoy bien.
Francisco's clinging to life on that cell phone.
No, this is not gonna.
Might as well get some camera on the way out.
Yeah, might as well get some pictures.
Up there is a bike on a zip line. That's crazy. So that zip line above me is 800 meters long, half a mile. I asked our tour guide how many seconds would that take? And he says it depends on whether if you pedal. That's because there's actual bikes on the zip line. This is gonna be insane. Okay. The closer you get to the edge, the more your brain says this is a terrible idea. Oh my gosh. Oh. Deep breath, deep breath. Okay, we can do this. All right, come on. Don't think, just do it. Just don't think. Oh no! Oh! Dos! Tres! Let's go! Pinga! Way to go, guys.
Wow, that was nice.
That was Ben's a champ. That's the biggest jump he's ever done. Can't believe we just jumped off that. Wow. Crazy local. Bien. Let's go, Francisco. Scream! It helps! Scream! Yo, let's go! Whoa! Well done, muy bien! How's the cell phone? Oh, you brought both cell phones. Oh man, you guys need GoPros. Wow, I am blessed to have a GoPro. This is insane to bring a cell phone. This is insane. Estoy loco. We're getting closer to the bicycle zip line. What the frick is this? There are people biking above me. I'm in the middle of the river, and there are people bicycling on zip lines right now behind me, right above me. So off the beaten path. I don't think anybody else is even going to be doing those jumps today, maybe even this week. That was amazing.